Hey guys, welcome back to Kaushik Tech and Gaming. First of all, we are very close to 100 subscribers, so hit that subscribe button. And in today's video, we are building a gaming PC under 32,000 rupees. So let's get started. In this build, we are using integrated graphics as our budget is very tight. But in future, you can add an dedicated GPU to your PC. So the processor we are using is the AMD Ryzen 2400G, which is an APU accelerated processing unit which comes with integrated graphics, which are Radeon RX Vega 11 graphics. The processor comes with 4 cores and 8 threads with a base clock frequency of 3.9 GHz and 6 MB cache memory. And it is an AM4 socket processor. The power consumption is 65 watt. This APU comes with Radeon RX Vega 11 graphics, which can provide you 1080p gaming at medium and low settings. As it has 4 cores and 8 threads, this PC can also do multitasking and can perform 1080p video editing. Motherboard I have selected is Gigabyte GA A320M S2H, which is a micro ATX motherboard. Which has 2 RAM slots and maximum capacity of 32 GB DDR4 RAM. This motherboard will be the best motherboard for this processor, as we can overclock the processor to 4.1 GHz on this motherboard. So the RAM I am choosing here is the Crosshair Vengeance LPX 8GB DDR4 RAM sticks. These are the best RAM under 3000 rupees for gaming. You can also overclock this for increasing the performance. I will suggest you to use 2 RAM sticks instead of 1, as it will be 16 GB, which will be sufficient for the GPU and the CPU. And with 16 GB RAM, you will experience less frame drops. Then the power supply I am choosing is the Entech PV550P+. It is a 550 watt power supply which comes with 120 mm silent fan. I will suggest you to buy a branded power supply instead of a cheap power supply, as they can damage your PC components. Then for storage, the HDD I am using is the Seagate Barracuda 1TB HDD. Which comes with 64 MB cache memory. If you want to make your PC faster and more responsive, then use an SSD. The SSD I am using here is the Kingston A400 240GB SSD. This will make your computer faster, and this will also decrease the booting time. Then the last component is our cabinet, which I am using is Entech NX310 Mid Tower Gaming Cabinet. It comes with 2 pre-installed fans. I will suggest you to go with a good cabinet which has a good airflow. It also has proper cable management system and an SSD tray and an magnetic dust filter at the top. In the front of the cabinet, there are two ARGB LED strips and one 120mm ARGB fan. And on the rear, a normal 120mm fan. Now here are some benchmarks of this computer. Thanks for watching this video till end. Hope you like this video. If you want more videos like this, then subscribe to our channel and hit that bell icon. And I will see you in the next video.